Hey everybody, I want to show you what I just got in. Some of us may need it sooner or later. They're LINNER hearing aids by Mercury. What we have here is the guidebook. Tells you everything you need to know. Our accessories box, what it comes with here is replaceable wax guards. There's 8 of them. Here you have extra ear domes that you can replace or change out. Not here. Here is your charging cord, the brush to clean it. Here you have the hearing aids in this great case. See, they're already fully charged when they come in the box. You have 20 hours of battery life. This is everything that comes in the box. We'll open this up. The box is what charges it. Here, you have that button up top. You'll see the green. That means it's on. Here, you have the volume up and down whenever you need it. It already has ear domes on it. Very comfortable. You really can't feel it. And they work real well. They're hard to see. Nobody will really know that you have them in there. LINNER hearing aids by Mercury. Right here.